Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset the device through recovery mode and also remove a screen lock if you have one that you just don't know, so you can't access your device. Now when I lock the device, you'll be able to see that I did set up a screen lock, a pattern here, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I wouldn't know it. So number one, we'll want to hold the power key and then select power off. Once the device turns off, hold the power key and volume up at the same time. So I'm going to do that right now. And I believe once we see the OnePlus logo, we want to let go of the power key. I guess we'll see if that's the case. Okay, so we're basically in recovery mode, though not quite. As you can see, to actually access the recovery mode, we would need to provide a pattern, but we can select forget password. And it gives you this message: you will lose everything, music, pics, etc. Now obviously this basically factory resets your device, so if there is anything that you'd like to keep it, tough luck, you can't. But assuming you can't really access your device, I think a better alternative to not having anything is to actually have your device instead of the stuff that you can't access on it. So from here we're going to select OK. This cannot be undone, continue, OK. And this will begin the process. So it will take about a minute or two, so let it run through, and once it's finished, we then should be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. And also, your screen lock is now completely gone. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.